Got out of there.
Hey, what good scissors these are.
Oh, it's easy. You know why? You gotta squeeze this very light, like that.
Well, look at that. That way. Hi. See why I wanted 2 bowls?
Wow.
That's 1 bowl. Bowl number 2 will be the other bag. I need the other bag.
Okay. Hold the bag.
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
This time I was gonna find a giant bag.
Right.
Here comes Annabelle.
Okay. So, altogether we've used 2 pounds of ground beef.
Yeah, 1 pound.
2 pounds of salad mix. Now I'm going to crush up 2 bags of Doritos. 1 of nacho cheese, 1 of Cool Ranch. McFly, would you like to enjoy?
Oh, like this?
Yes.
Oh, popcorn.
Well, we want to crush up the chips.
I can't find my roll.
Not sure if you noticed, but McFly took about, what, 2.5 pounds of beef,
Yeah.
browned it. We added a can of red beans to the mix, and by the time he was done and over with, I'm going to say almost half of a freaking can.
Yeah.
Dude, that's almost half empty. It's only supposed to be 2 little packets, not a whole can. But
Whoop.
half of a can, I guess half a can of Old El Paso Taco Seasoning Mix Original. So,
Oh, good. I like that.
we're now taking
I
the
let
chips.
you know to put a popcorn in the bag.
Alright. Oh! Hold up.
Ooh, one there.
Let's wait! There's more!
Oh, there.
There you go. Okay.
Oh,
Alright.
good.
Yeah. And then, yep. We took the salad mixes and we poured them into the bowls. We took the 2 bags of Doritos and we crushed them up as fine as we could get it. Now, typically speaking, my mother, when she made this recipe, she would use a freezer bag to put the chips into, and she would use a rolling pin to flatten out the chips and make them as powdery as possible. It's supposed to be a topping. It's not supposed to be mixed into the actual salad. I am now going to take a can of diced tomatoes. Typically speaking, we would not use a can of tomatoes. We would use actual tomatoes that we have diced ourselves, but we're trying to save time. Half a can in each bowl. Look, it's a tossed salad.
Yeah, it's coming out.
I'm tossing it.
Yeah.
Tossing it everywhere. This is not effective at all. Do not do that unless you want to mess. You have tongs?
No. I'll clean it up. Yeah. Hold it.
No. Do you have tongs? The things that are like this long and they're like pinchy. They're like big tweezers.
Hold on.
Do you have big tweezers? Yeah.
Okay. I'm not going to say anything. He's fat.
Have a heart.
Oh, wow. Oh, go in there.
Alright, whatever.
Yeah.
I'll chop it up. Okay.
Well, I'll let you know everything's done in there.
Is it mixed?
Yeah.
120%?
Yeah. 300%.
Great! Sounds wonderful. Okay. Now I just have to finish mixing this one. Now again, we're just mixing in the tomato with this salad mix. Okay. Next, we want to take our beef and bean mix and stir it evenly into each of the two bowls. Here, if you want to go ahead and start doing that.
Oh, sure. I like to. You never know what's going to happen.
It's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
Yeah, it is. I think I have one more of this.
Well,
Yeah. I think I had the metal, the big one metal.
ooh, fancy.
Yeah. Because Mitch broke the other one. I told Faye he had to pay for it.
Oh, no. That, Mitch.
Hey, Mr. Krabs, I'm doing it! I'm flipping the salad!
Hey, look at that. We have another one.
Nice! What do you want?
Throwing food at me now? I see how you are. Okay. Now we take some Italian dressing. And some ranch dressing. Ranch and Italian dressings. Again, to save time, typically speaking, use a large bottle of ranch and a small bottle of Italian for one bowl. Because we're making two, I am taking a medium-sized bottle of each and doing half in each. Make sure that your salad dressing is mixed appropriately before using. About half the bottle. Yeah, your stuff will come out thinner than mine. Excellent. Now, we stir.
Oh, good. Can't wait.
You just want to make sure that everything is evenly coated.
Yeah.
Now, because of the fact that we're making this in 2 different bowls,
Yeah.
there. Now, we mix again.
Oh, good.
Trying to make it all even.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let me see yours.
Wow.
See why I wanted 2 bowls? There would have been no way we could have mixed all of this in 1 bowl.
Oh, yeah. See that.
Now I'm just kind of stirring the 2 together, but yeah, we would not have been able to mix the meat and everything together in 1 bowl.
Wow.
Now, with the finished product, all you do is scoop it out into a bowl, take some of the mixed chips. You mix these up nicely too. Take some of the mixed chips, sprinkle on top of the salad, put a dollop or 2 of sour cream, and enjoy. Hey, look, there's a fork.
I think so.
But we need a spoon for the sour cream.
Yeah.
Oh, we need a spoon as well. And you're also going to need a fork.
I think so.
But we need a spoon for the sour cream.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take that.
Ooh, cheese. That's
Yeah.
right. Okay. There you are.
Damn.
All right. Hey, are you ready?
I am ready.
All right.
There
Yeah.
it is.
You want to give it a shot?
Yeah, why not? Mm-hmm. Huh. Wow.
Mmm.
Mom, look at
I like the addition of the beans.
Yeah. salad one up.
It's good.
I'll let you know everything. I was hungry. I didn't eat all day.
Well, the taco salad turned out to be a smashing success. It is
Wow.
delicious.
300% clear.
Absolutely. Thank you for watching Hillbilly and Cooking.
It's Mr. in the bottom and subscribe, and put a comment in the bottom.
We'll see you next meal.